The King Tut pea is named for ancient Egypt's most famous pharaoh, but could it really have been found in his tomb as legend suggests? Since British archaeologist Howard Carter unearthed Tutankhamun's tomb on November 4, 1922, plenty of fake stories have circulated about the riches that were found there. Overshadowed as they were by the glitter of gold and jewels, the boy king's tomb was filled with botanical treasures too: watermelon, figs, pomegranates, and other fruits, spices like coriander, black cumin, and juniper berries, and seeds too, including those of chickpea and lentil. The dry, undisturbed conditions in the tomb kept these in surprisingly good shape for the 3,000 years that they lay hidden and undisturbed. According to burial customs, it was necessary to provide the soul of the deceased with plenty of food for the afterlife. One legend suggests that Tut's servants planted and harvested the eponymous peas for just this purpose, and that Carter had snatched a handful and taken them back to England to grow. This fanciful story has surfaced over the years in the press and popular culture, generating both controversy and passionate defense for the King Tut pea's origins. When the New York Times wrote about it in 1944, for example, a reader named Grace Tabor took the paper to task. She defended the plant's origin story and claimed that a close friend had grown King Tut seeds she got directly from the president of the Metropolitan Museum of Art by way of Howard Carter himself. Alas, she also reported that the peas died just after blooming. Still others believe that the King Tut pea originated on the English country estate of Lord Carnarvon, the wealthy benefactor who bankrolled the search for Tutankhamun's tomb. While its precise origins aren't known, it is most likely that the seeds originated in early 20th century gardens. Napoleon's invasion of Egypt in the late 18th century, which included scientists as well as soldiers, had ushered in an era of fascination with Egyptian art and culture. And marketers and advertisers took advantage of it. For example, the 1888 edition of J.H. Gregory's seed catalog featured Egyptian beets as well as Egyptian sweet corn. During a recent trip to Japan, seed collectors there gave Baker Creek's Jer Gettle a sample of King Tut peas and, along with it, the story of how the variety had come from the pharaoh's tomb. Regardless of the true history of this pea, it wins top marks for flavor and eye appeal. Stunning fuchsia purple flowers give way to tasty, fat purple pods on strong and vigorous plants that love cool weather. It's a great producer that makes a delicious soup, or it can be picked young as a purple snow pea. Try this living piece of history in your garden. Thanks so much for watching Seed Stories. We love bringing you the backstory on these amazing varieties. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you won't miss a single episode.